Hi guys, in this video we talk about Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus versus Neo Phone 2. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus will launched on October 2024. The price is not available. The Neo Phone 2 launched on July 2024. The price is $899. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus dimensions height 6.4 inch, width 3.1 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The Neo Phone 2 height 6.45 inch, width 3.05 inch, thickness 8.5 mm. The weight of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus 227 gram, the Neo Phone 2 209 gram. The build, the both mobile come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card port. The display type of these devices, the Huawei come with LTP OLED 1 billion color screen type. The Neo Phone 2 LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is same 6.82 inches and the screen resolution Huawei come with 1.5K screen resolution. The Neo Phone 2 2K screen resolution. The PPA dynasty Huawei come with 449. The Neo Phone 2 510. The refresh rate is same 120Hz in both device and the screen to body ratio is same, not much difference. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Huawei Kunlun Glass 3. The Neo Phone 2 come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 5000 nits peak of brightness. The Neo Phone 2 come with 2600 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup of these devices, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and it's record 4K 120 fps videos. The Neo Phone 2 come with triple camera setup to 48 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 2.6x optical zoom and 48 megapixel ultra wide with 4K 60 fps video records. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with dual camera setup, selfie 13 megapixel and TOF 3D biometric sensor, 4K 60 fps video record with selfie camera. The Neo Phone 2 come with 12 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 fps videos. The platform, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with octa-core CPU with Titan Big 3.4 to 3 GHz CPU. The Neo Phone 2 come with octa-core Cortex for 3.3 GHz CPU. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Kirin 10300 chipset. The Neo Phone 2 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Melon 931 GHz GPU. The Neo Phone 2 come with Adreno 750 GB GPU. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Harmony OS 5.1 and the Neo Phone 2 come with Sky UI 2.0 operating system. The both mobile come with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobile. The battery backup, Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 5200 mAh battery. The Neo Phone 2 come with 5020 mAh battery. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus support 100 watt fast charging. The Neo Phone 2 come with 80 watt fast charging. Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 88 watt fast wireless charging. The Neo Phone 2 come with 50 watt wireless charging. Both mobile come with 5G network support. The commons and the features, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Face ID recognition, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0 and IP68 water and dust resistant. The Neo Phone 2 come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68 water and dust resistant. The result of these devices, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus got 23 points and the Neo Phone 2 got 18 points.